Welcome to the first episode of Nirdy. Today, I'm going to learn about robins. First one's worms. Blackbirds, my house, and my friend's house, we have the richest worms, the 5 worms. So, and what's going on is, these blackbirds wait for a robin to get a worm, and if they keep doing that, they keep stealing for no reason, and these worms lying around. That's when birds have too much. The robins get tutorial. A blackbird has almost died over there because robins claim that spot, and when they let sparrows go in, and sparrows are fine, so they don't do anything to them. But when a blackbird comes by, these robins will drop their worm when they're supposed to be part and start flying to actually catch this. Try to affect and wound this black bird that comes and it comes in just the three of them, and they're so terrible that they run the worm again, they fly off. Once the black bird goes back, there's always a guard there, and that guard builds a nest around here, so to keep guard if a blackbird tries to get a rich worm, they fly over to this, and sometimes one got bit in the eye and have to stop this fight for real. We didn't even know I got like really close to them. They didn't want to fly away, so I had to throw something at them. Stop it. It was one of these pistols. It's a clan. And so yeah, now let's get to the next one. Yeah, these are horrible, and some are good, but 200% of robins are horrible at nest spotting, and they wonder why their babies are going. They just keep on building nests in so much obvious spots that it's easy for them to fly back. It's just that their passages are so easy. Once the bird flies away and keeps going, they keep flying away. You act suspicious, you turn there, there you go. You get the baby bird instead. It's so easy just to know. The first time you see him fly really fast, you look to the side and you see it. That's what I found out. And it was pretty easy. Last thing I learned today is about their flying span. Their flying span is very, very fast. And their wings isn't that big, but they can go fast enough to attract an enemy away from their predator. Well, that was the robin. If you want to see more, then tell me, and we'll.